In this clip number 3, here we see a nice large flow that's coming from closer to the top. You can see in the background there, and that's coming all the way down and sort of bumping into this large dirt area here. It's on the other side of that where we saw the water flowing out of. So the water's found a nice little path, keeps that spot wet. It's kind of level there, a lot of dirt, so you see a lot of foliage. And then it migrates on past that to that stream we saw below. There's some more of that diamorpha in this shallow little pool here. This stream here appears to be a main flow coming off this side of the mountain. There's not any to my visible left or right. And you can see also how this one sort of originates right here at this other area where there's a lot of dirt. There it flows on down to that other big patch of foliage there and through it. That in the far background is the little mountain golf course off of Highway 155. And that points to the path on up on our hike.